Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how I make my henna and amla hair oil, which is part of my new hair growth routine. So this is a continuation of my previous videos. So first we're going to start off with some henna. I got this henna from Amazon, and be sure that you buy henna that's for hair growth and not henna that is for body art or henna that is for hair dyeing. And also you're going to need amla, which I got from a local Indian store, and then I'm going to be using castor oil and shea butter. So you could use any type of oils that you want or any type of butters that you want, but I decided to use these because I feel like they work best with my hair. So I don't have an exact measurement or exact science to this hair oil. This is the first time me making this oil. So I'm just basically going to add as much powder and oils as I think I may need. So I like to make, like, I'm gonna basically make a big, I don't know if this is a big batch, but I'm basically going to use as much product that's gonna be able to fill up this container, and then we'll go from there. So right now I want to say I used about half a cup of amla and half a cup of henna in this mixture, and then with the shea butter I went ahead and melted the shea butter, and you'll see that in a bit, me adding the shea butter into the mixture. And then once I add the shea butter into the mixture, I'm going to fill up the container with castor oil, and then I'm going to mix everything together, and then I'm going to let everything sit overnight. And then from there I'm going to strain the henna powder and amla powder from the oil. I don't have the footage of me straining it because I don't know, it got deleted somehow. But you either use, I end up using what's it called? I end up using like a stocking cap because I couldn't find the cheesecloth to strain it, but you know, I had to use what I got, so that's what I did. And that's basically it. I just wanted to keep this this hair oil just plain and simple. I didn't want to use too many things and have too many things going on. So so here it is, and I'm going to be using this oil a part of my hair moisturizing routine, which I'll show in the next video. So if you're interested in this video, continue watching. So I transferred the oil into an applicator bottle so that way it's easier to apply to my hair. And I'm basically going to be doing the LOC method on my hair. So I'm going to be using a leave-in cream, then I'm going to use the oil, and then I'm going to seal in the moisture with a curling cream. So I want to thank you guys for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like my videos and share my videos, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.